Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to print your Google Calendar in 2026. Whether you want a paper copy of your schedule, a monthly planner, a weekly timetable, or a PDF version of your calendar, this step-by-step guide will help you do it easily. First, open your web browser and go to Google Calendar. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Before printing, choose the calendar view you want. You can select day, week, month, year, or schedule view. For most people, month view is the easiest option for printing a full monthly calendar. Now move to the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. From the drop-down menu, click Print. A print settings window will appear. Here you can choose the date range you want to print. You can print a single day, a week, a month, or a custom range depending on your needs. Next, choose the layout. You can select day, week, month, or schedule format. Google Calendar will show a preview of how your calendar will look when printed. You can also adjust additional options, such as font size and page settings. Take a moment to check the preview and make sure all your events are displayed correctly. When everything looks good, click the Print button. Your browser's print window will open. Here you can select a physical printer if you want a paper copy. If you want to keep a digital copy, choose Save as PDF from the printer options. Finally, click Print or Save. Your Google Calendar will be printed or downloaded as a PDF file. This is a simple and useful way to keep a backup of your schedule, create a printed planner, or share your calendar with family members, students, or coworkers. That's how to print your Google Calendar in 2026. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Google Calendar tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.